Hello, Washington Eagles. It is Tuesday, May 12th. We are working on math. It is multiplying time. Yesterday, we divided with remainders. So multiplication and division usually go along pretty well together, but once you start multiplying bigger numbers and dividing bigger numbers, it's not as easy to see the relationship between the two. So today, we're just going to practice some multiplying, just to remember that we have to regroup sometimes. So remember, you all need to know your multiplication facts. Very important, because sometimes, there might be times when you just gotta know them, okay? So let's get started. So remember, whenever we're multiplying, we start with the ones place. We're going to multiply 3 times 9. So 3 times 9, you can do your little trick. So 1, 2, 3. This side is the tens, and this side is the ones. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So 9 times 3 is 27. 3 times 6 is 18, 19, 20. Put your 0 down here. 2 times 3 is 6, 7, 8. Got to add those two. So 2 times 3 is 8, plus 2, 1, 2 is 807. If you want to use, I'm charging my phone. I can't charge. I was going to say, we can check by multiplying, but I left my phone discharging. So, all right. Here we go. Let's keep it moving. You may check your answer by multiplying on a calculator if you like. Okay, so 487 times 2. So, if you wanted to, honestly, 487 times 2. So, another thing that you can do, since we're only multiplying by 3, well, you can add 269 3 times and see if you get that same answer. So, 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 1, 8 down here. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13, so plus 1, 3. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Now, we've added it twice, so now we're going to add it a third time. So we're going to add 269. So 8 plus 9, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So plus 1, 7 down here. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So plus 1, a 0 down here. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 807, 807s. Remember, multiplication is just another way of adding. We got this right. And now we can move on. So we can honestly do the same thing for 487 times 2. We can just add 487 plus 487, and we should get the same answer. But we got to practice our multiplication skills. So let's go. So 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1, 4 down here. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So 487 times 2 is 974. We can add quickly just because we're only doing this twice. If it were 487 times 8, do you want to write that out 8 times? Not really. You can. You can absolutely add this number 8 times. It'll take a long time. You can do it. All right, 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 1, 4. 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 1, 17. So plus 1, 7. 4 plus 4, or 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 974, 974, you right? All right. You may use a calculator to check your answers. Let's keep it moving. Now, the next one isn't going to be so easy. Well, in terms of adding 2 times or 3 times is what I mean, because I know that this can be challenging, and that's okay. Challenging things make your brain work, and we want your brain to keep working, right? Right. So 2,853 times 4. You can add this 4 times if you really want to. But again, practice your multiplication. So 4 times 3 is 12. So plus 1 and put your 2 down there. 4 times 5 is 20. Plus 1 is 21. So 2, 1. 4 times 8 is 32. 32 plus 2, so 32, 33, 34. Plus 3, put your 4 down there. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we're just going to write 11 over here. So we have 11,412. Okay? So, you may use a calculator to check your answer. Now, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to erase this, and I'm going to make this times 24. Okay, I just took it up a notch. So, and yes, I erased that. I erased it for a reason, because we're going to keep practicing these multiplication facts. So 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 1, 2 down here. 4 times 5 is 20. Plus 1 is 21. So 2, 1. 4 times 8 is 32. 32 plus 2, 32, 33, 34. Did I get that right? Did I write that down the first time? I have no idea. All right, and 4 times 2 is 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, so we have 11,412. Okay, so let's multiply our tens place. We have to put a 0 down in our ones place. So now let's multiply the 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Make sure you leave everything lined up. 2 times 5 is 10. So plus 1, 0 down here. 2 times 8 is 16. Plus 1 is 17. So plus 1, 7. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Now we're going to add all of these up, because we are not going to add 2,853 24 times. That would take a very long time. So 2 times 0 is 2. 6 plus 1 is 7. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. And 5 plus 1 is 6. All right, we have 68,472. All right, so that is, I kind of want to do like one more. I kind of want to do one more. Just to practice multiplying by 2 digits. So we'll do 584 times, we'll say 56. Okay, we're not going to add 584 56 times. I guess you could give it a shot. It's up to you. It'd take a long time, but you should come up with the same answer. If you want to go for it, go for it. All right, so 6 times 4. We've got to multiply the ones place first. 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 2, and then 4. Now, so we have 6 times 8. Now, if you know your number story, hopefully you remember that. So, if you, remember, always start with what you know. Always start with what you know. So, I know 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. And if you all ever want to write down like a little cheat sheet over here, then do it, because maybe you'll come across this problem again sometime in the future. Like if you're doing a whole math sheet, go for it, okay? So if you know 6 times 6 is 36, so 6 times 7, we're going to add 6 to 36. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. We're almost there. 6 times 8, ooh, that doesn't look like a very nice 8. So we're going to add 6 to 42. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Okay? So 6 times 8 is 48. 48 plus 2, 48, 49, 50. Plus 5 and a 0 down here. And 6 times 5 is 30. Plus 5 is 35. Remember, you got to put a 0 down here in the ones place. Oh, we're going to be multiplying by 5s, no problem. So 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2, a 0 down here. 5 times 8, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 40 plus 2 is 42. And 5 times 5 is 25, plus 4. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Let's add all these up. Okay. 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 2 is 7. 9 plus 3, so 9, 10, 11, 12. Plus 1, a 2. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So 584 times 56 is 32,704. All right, that is all for today. Go outside. See you next time. Love you guys. Bye.